Pero in simple terms, how do you explain to people what the issue is about pagdating sa reclamation? Bakit po kayo
For us, Las Piñas, Parañaque, and Bacoor, because we have 4 rivers going out of Manila Bay. The Parañaque River, the Las Piñas River, the Zapote River, which we share with Bacoor, and the Molino River of Bacoor. They all go to the same place in the Manila Bay. For us, it's just a simple question of where will our water go if they reclaim Manila Bay. Yung reclamation nasa path ng water namin. So, sinabihan na ako dyan in 2015 that if you allow reclamation, you will be flooding by 6 to 8 meters.
Las Piñas.
Las Piñas. And 6 meters is 3-story building. Can we afford that? That's why I have been against reclamation since then. I cannot allow that we have flooding.